Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are just outside of Nashville, Tennessee, and I got a call, a contact through the website. A gentleman called me and he has a 1984 300D. It's I think it's Astral Silver with the blue interior, and it only has 63,000 miles on it. So we have been on the road for several hours. We're about 5 minutes away, and looks like a really nice car from the pictures I've seen. So we're gonna see it in a second and meet the owner. All right guys, here we are, this beautiful property in Tennessee. It's Adam's place, and yeah, Adam, it's beautiful up here. We're gonna follow Adam into the garage to see this beautiful 300D. You said you found us through the YouTube videos?
I did. So I'm an avid Mercedes person. So actually my first car was a Mercedes. So
Oh, really?
And ever since I've owned, this is my 9th Mercedes.
Your 9th Mercedes.
Yeah.
So you have the same sick obsession I do.
Unfortunately, yes.
Well, let's see this beautiful car.
Yeah.
I think you said you got this from an older collector in town?
Yeah, so he's actually not too far from here, and he collects them and just basically stores them. He kind of has the same obsession we all do.
All right.
But we'll,
Here, I'll back up here while you open that up. And you said this is a 1984.
that's the 84 300. Yeah.
All right, let's go take a peek in here. Wow, looks really nice, man. I'll do a quick walk around for you guys on YouTube, and then I'm gonna have to get into inspecting the car. Astral Silver.
Yes, over blue and everything.
Wow, really nice. Let's take a peek on the inside here.
It's all open already for you.
Yep, that's definitely a 62,000 mile car. Would you mind popping the hood?
Sure.
I'll take a little shot under the hood for these guys. Oh yeah, still has a lot of the cadmium left on here.
And the hood pad is missing. They're kind of cleaning that off. And
Oh,
I've
I
got
can-
the hood pad here.
The hood pads always fall off on these cars. I always have to replace them.
Yeah, I've got one.
I'm not getting
So-
in the video.
So you're on YouTube.
All right, so Adam, looks like you have, so this is all the original documents. I saw a VIN plate in there too.
So the data plate. is
Yeah, the
right
data
here.
plate. Look at that. And you even had, so this was the service records?
Yeah, so that's the maintenance booklet where you go to the dealer.
Did they
and
actually
get your-
write anything in it?
Um,
Oh, look at
sure
that.
did. Since they took ownership. So that was the first service.
1984 goes all the way up to, what's that, 88,
Yeah. Then it's like 90.
90. And when did it go to the collector that you got it from? It was
So-
like 2014 or something like that?
Yeah, so let me send
Okay, here's
17.
the 2017. It went to that collector,
Yes.
and then you got it from him, and then here we are today.
Correct. Yes.
So he wasn't driving it. So it
No.
basically, in 1990, that's when the mileage stopped.
From
So
what I can tell.
okay, and then it's just been driven around sparingly and treated
Yeah.
as a collector vehicle.
Right.
You got the valet key, the original key.
See, that's the little stickers.
Oh yeah, they were peeling them out and putting them in there.
Yeah.
This is very cool.
There's the manual and everything. There's that little thing that was I think it hung on the part of the dash or something.
Oh, yeah.
Told you how to break it in. See if it's on the English part.
The break-in procedure.
Yeah, yeah.
Gradually increase to full road and engine speeds after 1,000 miles. So take it
Yeah.
easy for the first
Right,
1,000 miles.
Yeah. This, I think it hung somewhere on the
Yeah.
dash when they got it.
Well, this is great. All the original stuff.
Yeah, that's where they're supposed to register the warranty, of course. I guess
Oh, I still got the warranty registration. So if you need to register the
Yeah.
vehicle, guys, there it is. Oh, that's the original
there's the window stick.
window sticker.
So,
Man, that's fantastic.
yeah. So based on $1.20 a gallon for diesel.
Oh,
So
there we go.
You never see that again.
That's fantastic.
And here's all the dealer
Oh yeah, the dealer network.
directory. I'm sure a lot of them are not in the same place anymore. And I'm sure there's a lot more now.
All right, Adam, this is the last, the folder you're showing me, and there's some writing here on the back. Who is this from?
So that was the restoration shop that I used before I picked it up.
Oh, so you took the car to these guys. They did oil and filter, injector hoses, fuel return. Okay, so they basically did all the basic maintenance and service. Looks like they did a power window relay. Oh, that's the one behind the gauge
dash,
cluster, yeah. New Napa Gold bat. Okay, cool. All right, guys, we are coming down the hill, leaving Adams. Just picked up this beautiful 84 Astral Silver with blue interior. And guys, that's a very difficult color combo because the blue interiors, you know, are often destroyed. But this car was never left outside. It was garage kept. And so it's very hard to find. It's one of my favorite combos, the Astral Silver with the blue interior. 62,000 miles, 84. This one is a very nice one, you guys. So I'm gonna get it back to the shop. We're gonna go through everything bumper to bumper. You guys know the process by now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care.